Meaning of entryphone.
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 Entryphone. An entryphone is an electronic device used to manage access to a building or property. It allows a person inside the building to communicate with someone outside, usually through a speaker and microphone system. The purpose of an entryphone is to provide a layer of security by controlling who can enter the building. Visitors can announce themselves and request entry, while occupants can remotely release the door for authorized individuals. Entryphones are commonly seen in apartment buildings, gated communities, and office buildings.